Anuj, thanks so much for that. By the way, guys, before we move on, I think that block deal has taken place on delivery. Those 2 crore shares, they have changed hands. So I think we should get some of those details up for you. Nimesh was hinting that it could possibly happen in the block deal window. And that's precisely what's happened. So we'll try to get you more details on that front. But let's move on and get in our technical guest. We have Sudarshan Sukhani, who joins us on the show now. Hi, Sudarshan. Good morning. Well, Sudarshan, you go first. You tell us what are the strategies, and then, in fact, we'll go back to Mitessh as well. Go ahead, Sudarshan.
Good morning. See, the Nifty broke down that 17,400 support level decisively yesterday, and it closed much below it. So this was a trading range for 1.5 months. That range has broken on the downside. This is not good news for buyers. This is not good news for the bulls. So for today, I would suggest that until 17,400 is reclaimed, the trade is to sell on rallies or sell on minor intraday rallies. Your stop should be just above 17,400 and see where the market goes. Now, we all understand that the markets have been, are now currently in a sell mode, but they are deeply oversold. But they can remain so. So till 17,400 is not reclaimed, avoid buying, look for intraday short positions. Now, the Bank Nifty is a different story. As Anuj just said, the Bank Nifty is actually giving a buying idea. It's still a buy with a stop above 39,800. So we have two different contradictory views on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, but that's how the market is.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, what about you? How are you looking at things this morning?
Morning, Prashant. We kind of cut our positions day before yesterday, majority of short positions, when we kind of saw the market recover and close above the 200 average. And we got a hammer pattern, but then the high of day before yesterday was not taken out, which is Monday's high. And then we actually broke below yesterday's low. So we have some put options positions. The overall structure is weak, but then, about 8-9 sessions of red candlesticks means that there's always a chance of a pullback happening. So I think selling in the index, particularly Nifty, I would prefer put options. Futures, I think I would want to go into it if we get bounce back closer to about 17,400. And beyond 17,450, there might be a stronger reversal. So I think 17,450 will then become your stop loss for short positions on the futures side. But otherwise, I think, not much index exposure, to be honest. Trading with stock-specific biases. And again, while there's a mixed set of positions, there's a mild, bias towards the short side.
Bias towards the short side, sell on every rally is what Sudarshan said as well. So let's get some individual stock ideas then. Sudarshan, where do you see the largest pressure pockets, and what are the stocks that you would buy today? I mean, what's on your list?
See, there are stocks that are actually beginning to go up. So Colgate is one of them. It was in my list earlier when I said it's just on the verge of breaking out. It has broken out on the upside after a long 2-month trading range. So Colgate is a buy with a stop under 1450. Bajaj Finance is my only intraday short. The stock had decent rally, and now it's giving up all the gains day after day. So that's an intraday short with a stop above 62.50. Polycab has been an outperformer. From 2,500, it has reached 3,100, even as the Nifty was steadily going down. That outperformance should continue. Buy with a stop under 29.75. And another outperformer is Ultratech Cement. See, Sonia, there are stocks that are actually going up, and that always happens. Even in a bear market, stocks go up, some of them. Ultratech is a buy, the stop under 71.60.
All right. Those are individual trades. Sudarshan, thanks for that. Mitessh, what about you?
I have 2 buys and 2 sells. ABB is a buy with a stop at 31.90. A target of 32.85 can be looked at from a trading point of view, though I suspect the medium-term chart suggests more upside over here. And some reversal happened in the paint stocks yesterday, and we had picked up Berger Paints earlier as well. Now can be bought afresh with a stop at 569 for targets of 600 on the upside, and a couple of sell calls. The pharma stocks have been corrective, led by Sun Pharma and Cipla, and I've chosen Sun Pharma as a sell call today. 968 is the stop loss, 930 is the short-term downside target, and a reversal or a pullback happening on the charts of Apollo Tyres, which is a sell with a stop at 318.5 and a target of 302 to about 303 on the downside can be looked at.
All right, let's do one thing. Let's take a quick commercial break. On the other side, we'll have the pre-opening rates kick in. We'll also have Nitin Agarwal of Motilal Oswal Institutional Equities to talk about the banking sector, as well as Axis Bank's acquisition of the India consumer business at Citi.